Have you ever experienced the sensation that regardless of your relentless efforts, you are incapable of materializing your aspirations? Neville Goddard presents a straightforward, yet profoundly impactful solution that will revolutionize your perception of manifestation. Greetings. Welcome to our channel, where we delve extensively into the realm of personal growth, uncovering the enigmatic facets of the mind. Today, we shall delve into one of the most potent and transformative ideologies within the domain of manifestation. That sentiment, my friends, is concealed within The Secret, according to Neville Goddard. This principle possesses the potential to revolutionize your existence. In this video, we shall embark on a comprehensive exploration of this concept, demanding your utmost attention. Neville Goddard, an influential spiritual guide and author from the early 20th century, captured the hearts and minds of countless individuals worldwide, inspiring them to enhance their lives significantly. Neville posited that the true key to manifestation resides not in our deeds or thoughts, but in our emotions. This principle forms the bedrock of his philosophy, aptly titled "Feeling is the Secret." Essentially, "Feeling is the Secret" elucidates the notion that our sentiments unlock the gateway to manifesting the life we desire. Neville contended that our thoughts and actions merely reflect the underlying emotions we harbor. Hence, if we yearn to transform our reality, we must first alter our emotional state. By prioritizing emotional well-being and cultivating positive sentiments, we emit a powerful signal to the universe, proclaiming our readiness to receive prosperity and joy. Consequently, these vibrations attract abundance and felicity into our lives. Neville Goddard asserted that feeling, as he defined it, constitutes the acknowledgement that our desires have already materialized. Put differently, feeling denotes the experience of living as if our aspirations have already been fulfilled. It involves immersing ourselves fully in the sensation of possessing our desires, even if they have yet to manifest physically. When we genuinely believe our wishes have already come to pass, we convey a resolute message to the universe, signaling our readiness for their actualization. Consequently, this attracts our desires into our lives. Central to the tenets of "feeling is the secret" lies the ability to attain the requisite emotional state. Neville advocated utilizing our imagination to fabricate vivid, multisensory mental images of the life we yearn for. Subsequently, we visualize ourselves inhabiting this ideal reality, as though it were already tangible. By engaging in this practice, we cultivate intense feelings of excitement, bliss, and gratitude. These emotions, in turn, beckon more of our desires into existence. To fully comprehend the essence of "feeling is the secret," let us observe it in practical scenarios. Consider, for instance, the manifestation of a new profession. Suppose you seek a fresh employment opportunity but have encountered difficulties aligning one with your skills and passions. According to "Feeling is the Secret," the key to discovering the perfect job lies in cultivating a positive perception of oneself and their abilities. Envision yourself already employed in your dream occupation, relishing the fulfillment it brings. Embrace sensations of confidence and proficiency as you undertake your work. Immerse yourself in the jubilance and exhilaration associated with engaging in what you love. Fantasize about receiving accolades and admiration for your contributions. By generating these affirmative sentiments, you attract positive outcomes and experiences, ultimately guiding you to your ideal employment. Now, let us examine the process of manifesting a new romantic relationship. If you find yourself yearning for companionship, plagued by loneliness, and uncertainty about the future, Neville advises shifting your focus from these negative emotions to positive ones. Visualize yourself engaged in a blissful, affectionate partnership, savoring the emotions of joy, passion, and excitement. By concentrating on these constructive sentiments, you transmit a resolute message to the universe, indicating your preparedness for a new relationship. Subsequently, the universe responds accordingly, aligning circumstances to facilitate the manifestation of your desires. Lastly, let us contemplate the quest for financial prosperity and abundance. Suppose you long for financial security but find yourself overwhelmed by anxiety and stress concerning money matters. Neville recommends redirecting your attention towards feelings of assurance and gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. Visualize yourself in possession of abundant wealth, luxuriating in the accompanying sensations of appreciation and elation. By immersing yourself in these positive emotions, you emit a commanding signal to the universe, signifying your readiness to receive financial abundance. As a consequence, the universe responds by bringing forth circumstances conducive to the realization of your desires. It is imperative to bear in mind that feeling is the secret transcends mere visualization. It encompasses genuinely experiencing your desires as if they were already tangible. Neville espoused the belief that the crux of manifestation lies not solely in our thoughts, but in our emotions. This emphasizes the crucial role of feeling in our journey. By focusing on positive emotions, we communicate our readiness to the universe, priming ourselves to receive the blessings we seek. Correspondingly, the universe responds by orchestrating the convergence of events and experiences that align with our positive emotional state. Should you aspire to manifest your deepest desires and manifest the life you've always envisioned, I implore you to embrace Neville Goddard's philosophy of feeling is the secret and put it into practice. Commence by fixating your attention on the emotions associated with already having your desires fulfilled, utilizing your imagination to breathe life into these sensations. The more diligently you engage in this exercise, the more tangible it shall become in your reality. Lastly, remember to express your appreciation by liking this video and sharing your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this content valuable, do not hesitate to share it with your loved ones, enabling them to benefit from this remarkable manifestation tool. Should you hunger for additional insights into personal development and the secrets of the mind, kindly subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to ensure you never miss an episode. We eagerly await your presence in our forthcoming video.